Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vizuric visiting with Ag Meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, a nice morning, kind of breezy later on today.
Yeah, Joe, we got temperatures out there this morning that range from 53 in Oakley, 52 in Oberlin, 56 in McCook, and 57 out there in Burlington and Goodland. We got a frontal boundary that will be coming through here as a cool front this morning. Probably around mid-morning, we currently got gusts up to 22 to 25 miles an hour along that front that's now from North Platte through Imperial and in the Goodland area. That'll sweep through here this morning. We could see gusts upwards of 35, 45 miles per hour for a couple hours, and then they'll die down this afternoon at back to 10 to 20 miles per hour. Again, those will be shifting to the north direction. As far as temperatures go, with sunny skies this afternoon, those northwesterly winds are downsloping. We'll see above normal in the lower 80s. Tonight, we'll have low temperatures. It'll be in the lower 50s. We'll continue to be breezy overnight. Should have a south wind at around that 10 miles per hour to 20. And those then for tomorrow, we'll have an upper level ridge that will nudge into the area while a west coast trough begins to develop. That ridge will push temperatures up there into the middle 80s. Those breezy south winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Overnight lows will be in the middle 50s, so we'll continue to see this warming trend as long as that ridge is in the area and that trough stays out west. Thursday will be the warmest day of the week in the upper 80s, low 90s. Again, winds will be breezy from a southerly direction. Lows will be in the middle 50s, and we'll see the winds switching to the north Thursday afternoon, and then a dry line. So we got a little frontal boundary dry line set up. We could see a thunderstorm or two. Right now it looks like it's going to be drier than the potential for anything widespread. And then we get to Friday, a little bit cooler. We'll be in those middle 80s. We got the north winds behind the front. Overnight lows will drop a little bit into the upper 40s. Saturday is still looking dry. We're going to be watching that trough out to the west. Looks like it arrives late Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday with our chances for rain. One model has some potential for heavier rain. The other one has us dry slotted. So that's something that we really need to pay attention to, because with the warm and dry, windy conditions this week, we're getting really dry. Extreme drought is kind of taking over, and we need the moisture. We're going to be getting ourselves in some trouble. So that's our chances for the moisture. And then it does look like temperatures will come back down into the 70s during that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday period, and overnight lows back in those low to mid 40s.
Chris, just curious, as far as long-range outlooks are looking as we get into the early summer months, how are things looking long-range?
Well, as you head into the summer, you're going to have the El Nino and that kind of doing its switching, and it appears that we would have chances for activity to come from the west. So if we could get something started here in May, June, July, we should have some seasonal type weather where we'll see thunderstorm chances kind of returning. We'll get rid of this dry southwesterly pattern and become more zonal. That's kind of what we're moving towards during the middle of the summer.
All right. Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vizuric.